Hey, it's Dr. Trish Leigh with the idea for our Monday motivation that we're using our brain to control our brain. Well, that isn't entirely true. And that is why I am here, because if you could control your brain, you wouldn't need strategies to overcome the habits that are keeping you down. So what we're actually doing is using neuroscience and technology plus your mind and your body through your habits, routines, thought processes, and emotions to control your brain. Then, once we have control of it, we can keep control of it using your brain. So that's why I always say control your brain or it will control you. If you have a habit, especially a pornography habit, your brain is controlling you. You can't use it to get control back. You have to use neuroscience and technology and principles built on neuroscience that are effective. Okay, so let's do this in the new year. This is your time. This is it. Let's do it together. Let's reboot your nervous system and let's rewire your brain, unwire the pattern that is holding you back, and hardwire in the pattern to reach your full potential. I'm here for you. I'm down for this. Let's do it. And remember, control your brain or it will control you.